discovered basically a patch of the skin in the upper part of the mouth, upper middle, not all the way to the top, and requested from my dentist a cut and to make a biopsy, and the biopsy was positive, but I lost all my upper teeth on the right-hand side of the face, and I have to say this, I did not have a single cavity, so it was a loss. And part of the bone on the ceiling, and there is a cavity, a hole that communicated with the upper sinuses. Then I was recommended by Dr. McClure, go to Dr. Abraham. And the idea was to fabricate a device that will replace the ceiling of the mouth, will cover that cavity, will have teeth on the right-hand side and grab from the left-hand side. Or this prosthesis will allow me to eat and drink, because otherwise I can't. And surprisingly, my voice was the same. I was not expecting that, but the voice is the same. I have to take some precautions. After each meal, I remove it, I wash it, and then at night I have a very thorough cleaning of my mouth and the teeth and so forth. And has been quite a few years, and it's working fine so far. I am 92. The procedure is he examined me, wait until all the tissues are stable, and when he noticed that there was like a stability, they were not growing or getting smaller or whatever, then I have a material. I have to bite into this material to make an impression, and then utilizing computers, they design the dimensions of these prostheses. It's kind of difficult because most prostheses, they have hooks in both sides, but since I don't have any bone and any teeth on the right-hand side, all the support are on the left-hand side, but it had worked fine, no problem at all. Well, Dr. Abram and I communicated very well. He was very nice with me, really. When you are after an operation like this, you are in need of friends, believe me. And Dr. Abraham not only was very professional, but very friendly. You could see that we are friends.